All right, today we're going to bring a nylon cable Type C to Type C with an LCD screen. If you guys can see that right here built in the system. Now, the nylon string is very rugged and flexible, right? So it works for any kind of Type C device that you have. But we got this for one reason. We want to know if we're doing supercharge or we're going to do a regular 5 volts charge. So that's the only reason we got to get this. So we are going to set it up and see how well it works. So we're going to try two different ways, all right? A 5 volts, and then we'll try the actual supercharge, which is over 12 or 20. So let's go ahead and do that and test it out. Well, first of all, I have a power station that's capable of handling up to 140. So we're going to see if we could charge our laptop through here and if it gives a perfect readout, if it works, all right? So we're going to do that. We're going to plug one side in here. All right, and we're plugging it into maximum 140, and then we're going to plug this into our laptop to see if it's actually charging that voltage that's recommended, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So it went beyond 100. If you guys can see, it goes into 2 digits instead of one single digit, right? So right now we're doing watts, if you guys can see. So after 2 digits, it means it goes into triple mode. It goes high beyond that. But so far it says 11. So, all right, we got a Samsung Galaxy Note 22. We're going to plug it in. And we're going to see what we get right now. So right now, we're at only charging 11, 12, 13, 12. There you go. So it is supercharging at 11 to 12 watts, right? If you guys can see that. So LCD seems like it's working. It's going back to 9. It jumps around, so it's kind of awkward that it goes back and forward. But it is displaying that is charging. So for some reason, the cable was only charging at 2.1% and suddenly started charging at 8. So it kind of jumps from different numbers. And right now, I don't think it's even charging, to be honest with you. It stopped charging, you guys can see. And my phone's trying to think it's a data cable to transfer some information. But as you can see, I'm going to retry again. And it works for a bit. And it jumped. Now it's at 5. So now it jumps to 11 to 12. So it's kind of hard to recognize it if it's actually working or not. So I don't know about these kind of things. And I feel like it's, I do feel staticky once in a while, like a static shock on it. So I'm just not gonna recommend something like this for you guys. I mean, if you guys, my thing is I'm gonna skip this cable, to be honest with you, because it's something that I'm not familiar with it, and it just keeps disconnecting off and on. So